All right, guys, good morning. Thank you very much for joining me. I am trying to set myself up to a new studio, so please be patient with me until I fix the new studio. Guys, pre-market began. It's about 10 minutes into pre-market. So it's basically 4:10 a.m. New York Eastern Time as I'm doing this video. All right, and I want to talk about ticker symbol NXU, but first let me show you something real quick before we go into NXU, because there's something important about NXU that people don't know. On stock tweets, everyone is giving an idea that it's not really like that. So I'll cover that real quick. But first of all, guys, you guys remember when I had talked about the U.S. senators, politicians who bought General Dynamics way before the Israeli war began, right? Before the Israeli. Let me repeat that again. And these are the names of the politicians who bought. Guess what? Miraculously, in a strange way, General Dynamics popped after October 1st and so on. So the stock went up higher, and all of a sudden, by the biggest coincidence in the world, right? It's not, I hope your minds don't go into thinking insider information, right? But on October 16, 2023, today, General Dynamics secures a $216 million Navy contract. Those politicians were just lucky. It was just pure coincidence. So with that being said, let's go over to NXU. Back on August, guys, in my Discord, I talked about NXU, and I had said that they decided to shift their business. I posted that there so everybody will know. Then I said that NXU is up now at 0.20 cents. Company is horrible, but considering that on August 9th they issued warrants exercisable at 30 cents, it might go from 20 cents to 30 cents. And I was right. It went to 33, 35 cents. So that was actually a good day trade and so on. Is the company horrible in the sense that financial data sucks hard. So that's just my opinion. But other than that, it went from 20 cents to 30 cents and it did well. The stock right now, guys, is trading basically right now in pre-market, as I can see right now. It's basically at 7 cents. 7 cents. So let me show you. Now, this is the chart that I had placed before pre-market began today on October 16th, before pre-market began. And the closing price of the last trading session was at 9 cents. But right now when pre-market began, it took a nosedive down, and it's at 7 cents. For those who have not gotten in NXU, there is a possibility of super high reward and also the super high risk. Let me show you some things because people, when they go on stock tweets, they'll put rocket emojis. They'll say it's just a matter of time before it goes to $1. And that's fine. I don't criticize people's opinions, but maybe you should look at SEC filings before you start jumping into anything. But like I said, there's also a super high reward opportunity with NXU, and I'll show you what I mean. So yesterday I was asked, Mike, when you get a chance, give me your current assessment on NXU. I can remember you were talking about it in the past, which was what I showed you in my Discord way back when it was at 20 cents and went to 30. So from October 3rd, it crashed to 18 cents down to 9 cents was my first message back to the Discord member. Then I said they had diluted the stock massively. That's why it fell. And as you can see here, I also posted something else, that they had a GEM agreement, and basically with GEM Global and with GEW, Yield Bahamas. And it says that it's pursuant to which the company will issue and sell GEM Global and GEW. They agreed to purchase company shares up until September 27, 2025, worth an aggregate of up to $300 million. So the Discord member responds back. It says, Mike, in layman's terms, can you please explain to me? It seems like it sounds good or not. And I basically say the truth, right? According to what we just read here on this SEC filing, but I got more juicy information that you want to know. Wait till you see. But according to that information, I say that, well, it says up to and until September 27, 2025. So just be careful, because some people on stock tweets are saying that, look, NXU got an agreement. There are people, these two companies are going to buy $300 million worth of shares and so on. Nothing is a guarantee. The terms say up to $300 million and until September 27, 2025. Until that time, it could be just one share. I'm just saying, I'm sure it's not going to be just one share, but it could be just that. So we don't know. I can't know what exactly they're going to buy up until then. So that's that. Let's move on to the next one, guys. So the next part of recent SEC filings that they had come out with, it says that the company also issued a warrant to GYBL. Now this is interesting because the warrants they issued to GYBL says here the common stock purchase warrant is exercisable at an exercise price per share of $82.12. That's insane. I don't know about you, but I just can't believe that NXU would go to $82. But it is what it is. So as previously disclosed though, now watch this, on April 11, 2023, they had listing qualification problems with the NASDAQ, and they applied for a NASDAQ extension of 180 days. Guess what? They did not get that NASDAQ extension. Some people don't know that. They did not get that NASDAQ extension. And NASDAQ came out with a decision that the company's Class A common stock will be scheduled for delisting from NASDAQ and will be suspended at the opening of business day, October 19, 2023, which is pretty much right around the corner. But the company plans to timely request a hearing before the panel, which will request basically they're going to request a hearing before the NASDAQ panel. They have up until October 17, 4 p.m. All right, so up until October 17, 4 p.m. Eastern time to apply for an appeal, let's say, because they did not get a NASDAQ extension. And technically, October 19, they should be delisted and the stock should pause trading, right? So that's incredible, critical information that some people don't know, some people aren't putting out on stock tweets. It may lead to you losing money. It may also lead, and here's the high reward part, possibility, is that if anyone's into the stock now, right, and the company does, and the panel decides that the company has put out a nice plan ahead, and you know what, we'll give them an extension. All right, we'll give them an extension. Then those who are in the stock from now are set to go up way, way, way higher in the near future. But if the panel says no, then you're getting delisted, you lose your money, guys. That's basically it. It's a 50-50 super high reward. With that being said, global markets brace for impact as Middle East tensions rise. And then we also have Tesla, Netflix earnings. Interesting. The Tesla part is the most important part in my opinion. I don't care about Netflix, but Tesla is very important. Guys, with NXU, that's that. There's big risks. There's huge possible rewards, but there's also huge risks. Let me know in the comment section below, would you be trading NXU? Will you buy it? All right, guys, I wish you guys all the best. Take care.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.